Rakkam sangma Menteri Berikmi Iktanat Education haba cuba bah kenta kali Jingkylli singi ban rio ke dorbar mang tengka jongga yang dorbar thawan ke jela ke nyotrik ulber aja opsan loi thu ba yak bedun kti kamban pelat tu Jingkylli na banta ke Eksam Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test haus na majak khandai ada pengat kendo niki haba cuba be Jingkylli do rupa marak MLA ke All India Trinamool Congress na darengre Rakkam mul ang bala kem kharwai ngut ki be khon ni ke Eksam bat khasaw ngut ki ba pelat tu Jingkylli na ka chakashon Jingkylli ha kauti lomba Pynlait tu Jingkylli lalap next under to Eksam Hatura Government College.
Speaker sir. Reply to question number 56 sir. A. Sir yes. B sir. Sir 11 persons. C sir. 14 persons have been arrested. D sir. Sir the program developer and employee of Naycom Impression Printing Press Gawati. E sir. Sir Tura Government College Press College Tura sir.
Your supplementary question, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I don't have much to ask in this question, as Honorable Minister in charge has already replied to all the questions on which I need information. But still, I want to make one clarification on this, rather a clarification. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the steps that have been initiated by the department that such incidents do not occur in future?
Sir, definitely sir.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakhun diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.